everyone in this audience has that question in their minds that why is it that national media does not cover Sikkim enough or does not cover Sikkim properly enough? Here I'd like to mention, which was it, the earthquake, 2011 or 2016 that you were here? 2011. 2011. So I remember at that time, this big earthquake that all of us remember, Karma was here to cover that. And thank God for that, because he knew the place, he knew the people, he could speak the language, he could understand what was lost. Because a lot of other people who came to cover that disaster made a disaster of their reportage. So if you could tell us, given your experience in newsrooms, where you, I am sure, had pitched many story ideas about these parts, what is this big challenge? Why do we not see enough of Sikkim in news media as reportage?
Now, if you look at the current day, we will get no coverage at all, because the current media landscape is only about one religion against another. So that is the kind of TRP wars that they are fighting. So if you want to talk about development, if you want to talk about, anything that is good that is happening, nobody is going to cover. Tomorrow, if there is a clash with China at the border, you will see all kinds of journalists come, and then there will be no space. So that is what limited, the mental space of a newsroom has shrunk into. So there is no space. So therefore, I keep telling, and this is a problem not only of Sikkim, this is a problem across the Northeast. So we have to tell our story. Hamro story, हामी आफैले भन्नुपर्छ भन्ने चाहिँ एउटा fight हो. This last earthquake, I don't think any of the national media had to come. Nirmal alone reached all corners every day. He was reporting from every place, and the other press media of Sikkim. So we were doing a commendable job. Now the only challenge, now this is a big challenge, is that if tomorrow there is a case where the Sikkimis are suppressed, and if we need to reach our voice to the rest of the country and rest of the world, हामीले हाम्रो आवाज बाहिर पुर्याउनु सक्दैन. This is the new reality that has emerged with media which has been turned into lapdog. No. So it's not a problem of only Sikkim. I think it's a problem of the entire country now. So it's not isolated.
The entire country is going through what Sikkim has always been a victim of.